Hello everybody, welcome back to Not Another Reacts. Here is our very first video on the channel. Now, I have unboxed these in the past, but we are back doing amazing mystery boxes. So let's get straight in to the box with the trusty knife. And let me go. Oh, yeah, love that. Good. Should be able to just open up and see. Should be able to open up and see what we've got. Oh wait, we've got more tape to cut. There we go, that's all the tape. Yoink. Oh my god, look at all that stuff. So let's get in. First of all, we have got a Harry Potter vinyl pop figure. Let's get into this and have a look at this. Oh, you know what? I don't even care about the packaging. Cool. Oh wow, no way. We've got Harry Potter himself. That's pretty cool. I collect Harry Potter stuff. That's a bonus. Then we've got a Transformers Optimus Prime tattoo, sticker sheet, and little comic. Oh no. We got a Daffy Duck hat. Love that. That's sick. Now we've got a Toy Story 4 teddy plushie thing of Woody. We've got a My Pad or Yours. The Muppets cup. Really sick cup that is. Oh my god, we got the t-shirt. Look at this t-shirt. This is sick. An Iron Man t-shirt. We just need to find out if the wife likes that. And then to finish off, yo, this is actually mad. I don't really care for DC, but a big ass DC book. Wow. That's actually lit. Fuck, that's large. Wow. I'm really happy with the first mystery box. Hit subscribe if you do want to see more. We'll be doing this one every month, and we'll be doing a snack one every month, so check them out. Peace.